Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan. Dancehall skilla there again, my people. Big up, manners and respect. Social media, my people, social media. Alright, so let's get this whole thing started, because I have some things I want to talk to you about. Now, first things first. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man and a woman. And I cannot help but wonder how the confrontation started. I cannot tell if it's the man start the confrontation or if it's the female start the confrontation. And whosoever made the video was not really close to those persons who was involved in the confrontation. So you, my viewers and subscribers, won't be able to hear certain things that have been said during the confrontation. But anyways, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think. Alright? And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. Tell me what you think.
Yes, people, I really a fall. Taking a little introduction, man and woman argument. Pop out knife, woman time, pop out knife for time back. I rain the inner right now. Take up a woman guitar, take a man guitar, fling away. Yeah man, see man I complain there. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. Last night woman have been on here. Watch out. I stab him, I stab him man here. I see knife in a woman and I go up to him man. Watch out man, you off at the man face. Watch out. Watch out. Look at the blood clot this here. So man take up a big stone and give woman a ras class lick. What kind of knife you have when I can want to stab him man? Watch out. Where the bomb clot this here? Yeah, see what I go on, brother. See man walk go back to the car walk him out, brother. Man don't want to do nothing, brother. See next man I come out of the car there. Yeah. See man I come talk to you woman, you know. Don't make you see man good. Watch the big woman knife, daddy. Watch the big woman knife for long. Watch it. And that me I tell you, woman don't want to eat the thing that daddy. Let's watch this till done dog. You see me? Because a woman like he must be stop him up. See a big woman I walk out in me. They come like a long time man trouble big woman or something, you know.
Trouble not set like
yeah. Or something about the big woman, but the big woman head at the woman carry a knife in her bag for him. And this is the man I say, oh, I have to mash up, you know. Yes, big woman, you have to defend yourself. See, you there.
So for police that pass through
yeah,
and see all that the situation.
Yes, big woman go on your work or go on from the yard or something, but something will go on. See, big man a call me, now who big man a call me, but I call somebody. Because I have a reaction that me I tell her. People are normal youth. You know what between man and big woman still, but something kick off, you see? When you're normal, don't. Yeah? Me know if I'm gonna get trouble I want that, but somebody I get trouble there. Yeah. For real.
I tell them people. Trouble not set like rain. Yeah man, trouble not set like rain. You understand? If you find yourself in a situation where somebody are trouble you, and if you do certain things in order to defend yourself, and once the person are back down, then just walk on, you know? You get me? I say, just walk away because the person done a back down already. It don't make no sense you're going to move aggressive. And that is if that's the case. See, however, if you is the person who start the confrontation and is the person who cause trouble, you should not do it in the first place. So when we look on that video there, I think about two different ways about that whole situation. I wonder if the woman start the confrontation or if the man start the confrontation. Because I don't know who start the confrontation. I don't know how the confrontation start. But one thing for sure, my best advice is that the two of them should just walk away. Once a weapon come into play and hit that, just walk away. Too much crime and violence are going all over the world, man. A time for something different going, you know, see me? Alright, now my people, I move on to another topic, you see? Now my people, I can't help but talk about a video I see a circulate on social media that shows a well-known Jamaican musician who many people on social media call Silk Boss. And to be honest, my people, the first time I see the video, I wonder if it was a music video. But me get some information about the video that make me think different. See? Me I tell you the truth. And you know, to be honest, my people, I one of the fastest spreading video I see on social media. You know? Yeah, man. I mean, I one video when I see spread fast on social media. I mean, look at these screenshots right here. See? Look at these screenshots. These screenshots shows some posts that have been made on YouTube alone about the video I talk about. You see me, I say people, I'm going to tell you these screenshots shows posts that have been made within a 2-hour time frame as to when those posts have been made, my people. You see me, I mean the video post on YouTube a whole heap of time. The amount of posts I see at the time pass way more than 40. So by now, I don't know how much it could have reached. So I say, my people, you see the video I talk about is a video that shows Silk Boss in a situation of being hit by more than one person. And you can say that the video depicts Silk Boss getting hit by more than one person. So I say, now some people on social media take this whole thing for joking on people. So I say, I see memes, radams, and all them things them people. You understand? See, me no see this as no joke. Because the things that I see happen in that video there can happen to anybody. Now, me I go by the things that I saw and heard in the video no. See, me I go say certain things to you, but please bear in mind that I'm going by the things that I saw and heard in the video. Right? First of all, I don't think yesterday that video had been made. No, I don't think so. Right? Me I try to get information as to why that happened or why the video had been made. But overall, based on information I get and based on certain things that I realize and observe, I don't think yesterday that video they make. See? The thing about it is again to my people, see? I also wondered if there was a gun at the location and at the time when the video had been recorded. Remember now, I'm only going by the things that I saw and heard in the video. So I wonder if there was a gun there. And based on how I say Silk Boss the act, make me also wonder if there was some form of weapon there, like a gun, maybe something else. You understand me, people? And based on other information that I got, even though the information that I got are unconfirmed, I wonder if this whole situation is about something personal. You see me I say? Yeah, I wonder that to my people. You see, because some people on social media might think that this whole thing has something to do with music. But me not gonna rule out nothing. Me see a video that shows someone painting a wall and someone talk about Silk Boss in the video.
Ramp with the damn thing, man. Oh yeah, boy, fear play Silk Boss and get the face paint out. Oh yeah, man. Ramp with the damn thing. I want talk, man. You know what? Charge it up, man.
I don't know if that video have anything to do with the other video that I am talking about, viewers and subscribers, but that video there I talk about on social media as well. You see me? And me see quite a number of videos that shows different persons that talk about Silk Boss on social media, my people. See? Me get you understand that some persons talk about we call it golf on social media pertaining to the video. You know, and in at least one song that Silk Boss do, me hear the word golf in at least one song where Silk Boss does. See? Anyways, me get some unconfirmed information about the whole situation or about the video. See? But me can't tell you if the information there really and truly accurate. So if you want to know, you can ask me in the comment section and I will let you know what I know. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic, my people. I just have to talk to you about that video because that video there a lot of places on social media. Yeah, a lot of places on social media. All right. So next topic. All right, my people, listen to this now. See, I got information that a 16-year-old girl has been charged with murder for the stabbing death of her 20-year-old boyfriend. You hear the information I get, my people? Yeah, I got information that a 16-year-old girl has been charged with murder for the stabbing death of her 20-year-old boyfriend. So, it is said that the incident happened on Bethel Street in Manchester, Jamaica on the 27th of August, year 2022, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, for certain reasons, I'm not going to mention the teenager name. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? No, I'm not going to mention the teenager name. I understand. But let me get back to the information then when we get. Because just tell me I tell you certain things, you know. See? So, it is said that, and it is alleged that the teenager, I'm talking about the girl, it is alleged that the teenager and her boyfriend had a dispute. And it is alleged that she used a knife to stab him in the neck. It is said that the man was taken to a hospital and he was pronounced dead. And allegedly it is said that the teenager was held by citizens and handed over to the police. Notice me say alleged of viewers and subscribers. Me never did it. Me can't say that happened. Appear alleged me if I tell you. See? So it is said that the teenager was subsequently charged. And I think I have something I've got left with me people because I don't have much more information about the situation. Really a sad topic. You know, beer crime and violence happen in many different places worldwide. I wonder when we're going to get world peace. Yeah, so I left it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.